EEA-PAM 5-A-32 series of power amplifier proportional control valves manufactured by Vickers. These power amplifiers, like the one I have here in front of me, have 5 voltage inputs, one of them being an inverter, and a current input for 0 to 20 milliamps. Adjustments are set for 0 point or deadband compensation and for gain, which allow the amplifier to be easily tuned to the proportional control valve. The ramp function generator can be switched on and off using the ramp enable control. Monitor points on the front of the panel allow measurement of the conditioned command signal or of the solenoid current. Taking the amplifier out of its box, some features found within this specific series of Vickers power amplifiers include a user-friendly front panel adjustment found here, electronic overload protection with automatic reset, pulse modulation for high efficiency, and the capability to be quickly equipped with plug-in modules for special functions. These power amplifiers are powered with 24 VDC and have standard input and output signals. If you would like to purchase an EEA-PAM A-32 card like this one here in front of me, or want more information, please contact us via phone, email, or fax. Here at Wake Industrial, our goal is to provide you, the customer, with the best customer service and prices on all of our products. Call us at 1-919-443-0207, email us at sales@wakeindustrial.com, or visit our website at www.wakeindustrial.com. This is a general overview of the EEA-PAM 5-C-32 series of power amplifier cards manufactured by Vickers. These cards, like the one here found in front of me, have 4 input demand signal modules and a 4 ramp function generator with quadrant detection. In this specific C-32 series, the integral ramp generator enables acceleration and deceleration to be controlled separately for both directions of movement. Some benefits of this Vickers series over similar cards produced by other manufacturers includes having every feature available to the A-32 series of Vickers amplifier cards, a 10-volt polarity reference voltage selectable by a 24-volt logic signal, 4 adjustable ramp times with 4 quadrant acceleration and deceleration, and 4 adjustable command presets selectable by a 25-volt logic signal. Vickers amplifier cards are a great choice for controlling your industrial hydraulic and fluid components. If you would like more information concerning this EEA-PAM 5-C-32 series, or would like to purchase, sell, or repair a card of your own, contact us via the phone number or email address found above, or click the fast quote button on our website. In this video, I'll give a general overview of the EEA-PAM 5-D-32 series of power amplifiers manufactured by Vickers. This specific series of power amplifiers allows users to replace 2 conventional electronic cards with just one EEA-D because of integrated PID modules. Some features of this series include all of the features found within the EEA-A-32 series except for the gain function, a user-configurable PID feed-forward closed-loop operation, and command input ramps. Benefits of this series over comparable cards from other manufacturers includes an external design reducing the amount of external wiring, closed-loop position and velocity control, and easily reconfigurable settings. If you would like to purchase an EEA-PAM D-32 card like the one here in front of me, or you want more information concerning this series, please contact us via phone, email, or fax. These are a great choice for your proportional valve controller needs. Here at Wake Industrial, our goal is to provide you, the customer, with the best customer service and prices on all of our products. So call us at 919-443-0207, email us at sales@wakeindustrial.com, or visit our site www.wakeindustrial.com.